So, all these toilets, and this is the ladies' room, men's rooms on the other side of this door. A chair rail in the back is clogged up, and where this floor drain ties in, kind of goes this way, ties into the line, and then makes another turn. It's kind of jammed right at that turn. There's another floor drain in the women's bathroom, the men's room next door, and it's not coming up out of that floor drain. That one comes in a little further down the line after the turn. So I'm gonna attempt to roto it from here to try and make it get into the line and clear it out. Hopefully that'll clear the chair rail also, but being that it's not coming up out of the floor here and those are overflowing, that might be clogged up on its own. Back here, this is where the drop is. I did have a piece of tape where it said we need to put a clean out in somewhere here, but you can see there's the vent. That comes down right there where all the toilet bowls tie in together, drop into the floor, and then make the turn. Now, like I said, I'm gonna hope for the best and try and get it from here. So like I said, I'm gonna try and get it from here. Hooked up my 100 machine because the 300 won't make it through this floor drain trap. And the only way to get the 300 machine in that line would be to do it from this vent, which I would have to either bust through the wall and put a clean out in, or take it apart there and put the machine on the floor and hold 10 feet of cable as I'm rotoing it through to try and get it to clear a blockage right here in the wall. So see what happens. I'm pretty sure once this gets into the line, this is probably plugged up at the end, so we're gonna have a nice overflow out of here from these bowls as soon as this clears. Okay. Shit. I don't know why I'm stopping it. It's inevitable. Gonna be a mess. Put a fucking decent stand over this bullshit. Alright, so luckily I got this to clear and the bowls to clear without overflowing up on me. More than likely all heavy paper. See, so everything dropped. Seems clear. Nice. Okay, and that's down at the level of the trap where it should be. Let's just check this other bathroom, make sure these toilets dropped also. Nice. Okay. Okay, we're all good. 100 machine. Nice little blade on it. Does it again. This thing handles a lot of stuff that you'd think you need the 300 for, but you ain't jumping this trap. You saw how hard it was to me to get through there, even with this thing, even with that wicked bend on it. But mission accomplished. Beautiful.